Looking for a skillet that delivers professional results without the hassle? The 12-inch Chef's Classic Hard Anodized Skillet offers exactly that: exceptional heat distribution, a durable non-stick surface, and a design built to last. Whether you're cooking juicy fillets, chicken, or fish, this pan makes every meal better with its even cooking and easy handling. I recently added this skillet to my kitchen to complement my existing cookware set. The 10-inch pans I had just weren't cutting it when cooking for more than a couple of people. This 12-inch version fits perfectly with my other pieces, both in style and function. From the moment I unpacked it, the pan's hard anodized exterior and quantanium nonstick coating stood out, shiny and smooth, ready to perform. Even after regular use, the minor surface scratches didn't affect its nonstick power. Plus, the stainless steel riveted handles stay cool on the stove, giving me a solid grip and safe handling every time. What really sets this skillet apart is its thoughtful design. The flavor lock lid prevents spills with drip-free pouring, and cleanup is a breeze with just hot soapy water and a non-abrasive scrub pad. It's BPA-free and built to meet North American electrical standards, so you know it's safe and reliable. The limited lifetime warranty backs that up, giving you peace of mind with every use. If you want a versatile, long-lasting pan that handles everything from weeknight dinners to special occasions, this Chef's Classic skillet is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience.